We did, just to summarize, last time we did about sense control, the two verses that we do from Gita, and then we also talked about that how we have to have a tranquil mind, and then whatever is coming on our way, don't hate it or love it, constant, this way mein nahi jao, and then that will give us peace, that will give us happiness, and that will make our buddhi steady, so that we can study this. So, and then the next one he says,
Oh, this is still not finished. Soman.
स्थित प्रज्ञ उन्होंने पूरे गीता में कई चैप्टर्स में अलग अलग बार, because it's very important, right,
Yeah.
for us to know what is our goal. Otherwise we keep reading and just okay. So now he says, wait, which one was that? Yeah, so next one was 66, and the Sanskrit part is nasti buddhira yuktasya न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभावयतः शांतिर अशांतस्य कुतः सुखम. So he's saying, the English translation is, there is no knowledge of the self to the unsteady, and to the unsteady no meditation, and to the unmeditated no peace. To the peaceless, how can there be happiness? So Krishna Bhagavan is saying that. So basically he's saying that quietude of mind is the most important thing for even studying or trying to contemplate what life is all about. Because if we are going to be constantly in the sway of sansar, we won't have time. Neither will have time, nor we are going to have inclination, nor will be able to do it. So even if we want to study the scriptures and find out what the truth is, we have to practice this, so that we have free time and we can contemplate upon it. Imagine if you are bogged down all the time with our sansaric thing, we'll never think about these things.
Oh, you're living in body consciousness the whole time.
Right. So you have to kind of rise above it. And so that was the main thing that in the commentary he mentioned, Swamiji, that, we can all relate to that if we are too bogged down, we won't be able to come for this class also, if we are constantly chasing the world, So, and the other thing is saying is, that how do we get happiness? If we try to search for happiness, it's not going to get in the world. But if we know that somewhere deep in our psyche, if we know that this world is constantly changing and there is something beyond that. And like that Murjani's thing, that her most powerful statement in that TED talk, whoever saw it, was, you are much beyond what you see. And then she gave that flashlight. Aapne dekha wo TED talk ka? She gave that flashlight wala example, that right now your flashlight is such a small thing.
Yeah, awareness.
But imagine that and then you have seen everything. She has seen everything and come back, and
she can be in many places at different times.
Yes.
Yeah. No,
so
but to me, she was describing Virat room.
Exactly, she was describing.
The warehouse had everything in it, and it was
exactly. She was.
She could see the living person. She could see her dead,
and she could feel what they was thinking also. So she was in their mind also. She could immediately understand that
what brother was coming from India, so in the plane also she met him.
No, what that was she saw, but what I was trying to get at, which relates to this, is at the subtle level, she knew what her father was trying to tell her, even though there was no conversation.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Yeah, there is a communication.
She was aware of the thoughts.
Actually, it was that she had risen completely over the body, and she was in oneness. That हम लोग बोलते ना कि you were in that.
It is a proof.
Realization तो उसको वो experience हो गया.
She was.
Yeah, she was with the universe.
Yeah. So what is that telling us over here? We have not.
That is our real root.
Yeah, but these people like Murjani and other saints and sages and all that, her experience was that she can come back and tell us about it, right? For us, we are just believing in them. We have Shraddha in whatever they are saying, so we say okay. But they are the proof that it happens, right? Even like
another one is Jill Bolt Taylor. She had the same experience.
Many people have had that experience.
I have seen one more like that, where she said when she looked at her body, she saw there was no end. you know.
Yeah, that like endless,
Yeah,
infinite,
endless, yeah,
infinite.
She was connected to everything.
So
Yeah.
all of
Like,
us are
this is
sitting
what
here because
Sadhguru
we
also
believe in
says
it.
throughout in all his
sorry?
talks. Sadhguru also in all his talks, he's talking about this thing that you are beyond.
Beyond.
And we don't
Exactly.
use the techniques
Yes.
to, all these are techniques to reach
See that
and
we
to
are the
get a
kind of
glimpse.
people who, when we hear them, we have so much Shraddha towards them that we believe. There are people out there, somebody can give them proof and they won't believe it. They say, no, it doesn't happen. So then you have to leave
Yeah.
them alone. And even for Murjani, because I read her book, she actually, in that book, she gave the proof of the doctor's reports. Because some of the doctors are so skeptical. They say, nahi, ye to aisi bana rahi hai. So she gave actually the proof that her cancer went away in couple of weeks, and in 5 days she had 70% regression of her tumors. 5 days.
See,
Lemon
Huh.
I also had, every time I told somebody this, because it's part of my blogs I wrote when she came out, nobody believed. But finally, TED does so much research.
Amazing.
So if you are in TED Talk,
That means
you
it is
got
authenticated.
That
Yeah.
means it is authenticated
Yeah.
and you have made it.
Yes.
Plus, you have to summarize it so well for TED
Yeah.
Talk
Yeah.
that rather than books and interviews she gave.
Now she's been doing so many talks, so she knows how to do it.
Also,
She's
the way
invited.
she explained.
Murjani.
Many TV interviews.
Yeah, she has done many. Last
yeah.
10 years, that's what she's
Yeah.
been
I
doing.
have so many. If you go on YouTube,
She
you'll
was
see.
always like that? or-
No,
No.
10 years ago
10
she had
years
that
ago.
experience.
Oh, after that
2006,
she got
yeah.
involved.
2001.
So I have known this for 10 years, but
became
this
sort
time
of
I
famous.
TED Talk I saw.
Very famous after that. So here, there are two things that I wanted to bring up. So what Swamiji actually says, that if this is like a sansar is like a big huge ocean, okay? And he's saying if we want to go across this ocean smilingly, happily, we have to know that there is something beyond. That's the only thing going to take us across safely, happily. We can go crying and like a lot of, but if you want to be smilingly go in your life, that's what you need to know. And he said this is like an example he gave. A dancer cannot dance until there is a drummer behind, giving that tal. So he's saying that tal is like knowing, there's something beyond. Constant awareness of that will take you across. I think it's such a beautiful
Also,
example.
once you reach that stage to know that there is something beyond, that is the same way in Brahma Sutra they describe jigyasu. Like first stage is become jigyasu, which
Yeah.
means
Inquirer.
there's
Inquiring.
more to it than what I see.
Yeah.
That is the main point.
Yeah. तभी तो एक कहावत भी है हिंदी में कि ढूंढने से तो भगवान भी मिल जाता है तो फिर बाकी चीज क्या है because you have to search. Seeker.
See, the other thing I wanted to make sure that you follow. Remember, I mentioned Mother Arbindo's disciple.
Yeah.
She had the same consciousness connected to others. So she said, somebody is having an operation, she could feel it somewhere else. So same way she says, wherever she concentrate, she can like know what's going on.
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
like the
She
spread
can feel the
consciousness.
pain, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Empathy.
that is what the gurus they
That's
can
what they
feel
can feel.
also.
That's why they have empathy
So
towards
gurus are
everybody.
peace, they meditate and all that. They are silent. They don't talk all the time. All this garbage,
But the Castellina, that thing he was saying about difference
So
between
it's
empathy
like
and
a
compassion.
radio
that is very
tuning,
important.
tuning in radio.
You need to have empathy rather than compassion.
different frequencies.
Empathy, yeah. So first thing I
I
like
al-
is you should love yourself.
Yeah.
If you are unhappy, then you cannot help others.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
the way.
Firstly, we have to find happiness within your own grasp, then you can give it to other people.
Yeah,
Exactly.
This is very important.
So that was one verse, and we have to do two verses. The second verse is he
You
says,
know that Lisa Hayward, she used to say, stand in front of the mirror and say, I love myself. Every day.
But that
Do
is,
that.
in the physical body. But when you're doing it, it's not in the physical body. Then कोई चीज तुम्हारे सामने आएगी.
Not for beautifulness, but you're inside your soul, you love
No,
yourself.
but you can, the minute you see your body, the more you become in body consciousness.
No. You don't have to
No,
do
but
it.
that is part one. But you have to start from
think,
your
No,
body.
no.
No, I know what you are saying, that even if you're looking at your body, if you are aware of there is something beyond,
Yeah.
see अपनी आंखें तो body देखेंगी ना, मगर हमको अंदर ये
But when she
समझना
said
होगा,
अंदर से वो
समझना
फीलिंग
होगा.
होना चाहिए. अगर अंदर से फीलिंग
That
होगी ना,
beautiful, yeah.
you can never
You don't
say a
even need
rude
a
word to
mirror.
anybody. You can never do anybody any harm.
Yeah, exactly. So
If
you
you
have
really
to,
love
ये
yourself.
समझने की बात है, देखने
Yeah.
की बात
You will
नहीं.
never be able to. Even if you try, you will not succeed
Right.
in harming anybody.
See, another connection I saw, which was from last time, when we were reading Shankaracharya's Guru's commentary, that for the Jagrat world resides in your right eye.
Yeah, correct.
So same way, when I read the Carlos Castaneda and Don Juan, he says there's a band of light coming from above on your right side,
Okay.
on 18 inches from your body. And your death is on your left side. And then he sees these fibers going and connecting everybody. So essentially I was thinking of making a diagram of
Yeah, he
what
said it's like an
sees.
oval shape, the man's
Yeah.
body, electronically, like
Yeah.
it's
And
like an
so-
oval shape.
And they also believe that the universe
And the
is like
hands
oval
and
shape.
legs are, hands and legs are jetting out. That's what he said.
And Om, okay, Om का भी मैंने सुना है कि
हाँ.
you know when they do that sound का thing and it creates a pattern. When they do Om sound, it comes into oval shape. That's
Everything
the
is
only
spiral.
sound. Everything else becomes round,
Right.
but the Om sound becomes oval. Yeah. All these research they have done it.
They are saying everywhere, the waves, the currents, they're all spiral. Everything in the universe is spiral. And
That's
that's the Om sound also, that's spiral.
Yeah. Even the shape is all
The
round.
egg is oval
The
shape.
spiral.
I'm looking at the eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, shall I go to the
That's
next
also life.
Must be some-
verse over here?
Okay.
Krishna Bhagwan's words. So next verse is Indriyanam hi charatam yan manonu vidhiyate tadasya harati pragnam vayurnam vibhavasi. So then the translation.
What was the first one that we did? That means he's used to be conscious of everything.
Do you want me to
Ah.
summarize? It's
Ah.
basically that we have to know, we have to make our mind very quiet to be happy, because in that quiet mind we will do the inquiry, and then if we know that something beyond us is what our real nature is, then we can sail through this sansar happily. And
So
and it's-
basically, we have to practice to be quiet.
Yes, and quietude can come with that knowledge. Otherwise if we are in body conscious and just
Yeah.
this world, then we're going to be constantly disturbed. So next verse, the translation is, for the mind which follows in the wake of the wandering senses carried away his discrimination as the wind carries away boat on the waters. So basically it's saying that what happens if you just get carried away by your senses, then your life is like a boat in an ocean where the boatman is dead. So it's been, वो boat थपेड़े खा रही है. It has no direction, no nothing. It's been
So it
tossed
will
around like a crazy thing and get destroyed. So if we don't have that quiet mind and that center and connected with the higher, our life will be like, constant. And we see crying, laughing, the whole time, just wasted your life in the whole thing, never inquired, who am I, where am I coming from, so that's what he's saying. So the last part, he says that the senses are to be controlled if a man is to live a better and more purposeful life, design and plan for enduring success. So this is the two verses of
Senses
Gita.
have to be controlled so that energy is used with silence of your, and just like I said, you don't need to turn on a TV
enjoy your
or
own
a,
company.
you're just so happy
I think
by
that
yourself.
each one of us need to figure out what can I do for myself to make my mind quiet. And there could be different technique for different people. Some people like to go sit in front of the ocean and look at the waves and they become quiet. Others want to just close their eyes in a room and, So we all
like
need
everybody is
to,
unique,
but
so
we
that-
should know the goal. The goal is that I should connect with the higher, and like Tapovanji Maharaj, who was a guru of Chinmayananji, he loved nature. So he wanted to he wandered in the Himalayas the whole time. And he never came down because he thought that for me to be connected with God, I need to be here.
Because nature is so easy,
Yeah.
you're absorbing all the
Yeah, but there are other
universal
people who
energy
says,
from there.
I rather sit in the room, close all the thing, and then I want to just close my eyes and think of. So there are people are different.
And they're saying one more thing is you have to stop your internal dialogue. All
Yes.
of us are so much thinking about our own self, oh, this one said this, someone
others.
said that, and we keep on thinking about that. But I think that's what if you stop your own inner dialogue, then you will become open.
I would say that after you read,
Socializing is good, but not too much.
Yeah.
socializing is good, but they say, like Chinmayananji said, there has to be
A
like
balance.
a awareness somewhere what the real nature is, and then even in the social situation, you will learn something. You will have God. That God awareness has to be.
Yeah,
there.
you will
Yourself
be able
are-
to use that
Yes,
situation.
because then you will see the
Otherwise,
variety
you can't
also.
use any
There are some
situation.
people who are one personality, another one, and you will accept everybody. You're not going to say, "Hey, I want to be friends with this. I don't like this." But you will get over all that, and you wherever you are, you will enjoy. Because usually people को क्या होता है? वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, ये मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, right? And then you waste your time thinking about that. But if you say मुझे सभी अच्छे लगते हैं, तो फिर problem ही क्या है? You know?
But whether we can say that, what about other people have to also?
We are
No,
not bothered.
we are not
Story is
bothered.
ours. It's not
We have
other
to
people's.
worry about
Yes.
ourselves. We have to change
That-
ourselves.
In this
Story तो हमारी है कि
वो ना in this path you are absolutely alone.
I think you become more observant.
cannot
I found
bring anybody
you become
with you.
very observant.
yeah, you have to just think of your.
And
I mean,
I found
it's your
some people
life
get,
and your
moody,
goal.
No,
you
because
know.
It's
And
just
I
that.
tried
if you
to.
all,
अच्छा one at a time. I think we all are talking again together. हाँ बोला.
yeah, go ahead.
It's okay बोलो.
Sometimes I feel some people are moody at a party. And
This is how I would handle. If I can do something to change their mood, I will do it. And if I cannot, I tried and they didn't change the mood, you leave them alone. Let them be bad, whatever. And if they don't want to come next time, that's perfectly fine. But you have done your best. You have not called them. Maybe they had a problem at their home. We don't know. People come moody. Maybe they have had a fight with their spouse. How do we know, right? We have to give them benefit of the doubt. You do your best to do, and if beyond that you cannot do anything, leave it alone. Do your best and leave the rest. You know that would be the spiritual person, a master will.
Yeah,
That's what my
you
guru
don't
told
do
me.
anything, but what I'm saying, I've found a particular person gets up and on into moods. I don't know how to handle that.
I
It's
think
not
that
up
it
to
is
you to handle.
Yeah, it's
It's
how
not him
we
to handle
handle
his
their
own
moods.
moods.
That's what the. It's
It's
not
not
what
your-
they do. How I handle their mood. That's where our spiritual sadhana comes. And you know, I mean, we are struggling. We know that. You know,
Yeah.
in the family also, your own family's moods affect us the most.
Yeah.
And we get so carried away. So I think that's where our sadhana comes. And when somebody is in the bad mood, that's how I behave. Can I remember God at that time? You know, and with practice it can happen, I think. You know?
Actually, वो सामने वाला गलत चलेगा तब तो आपको opportunity मिलेगी.
Yes,
अरे तो opportunity कहाँ
she's
मिलेगी?
right. That those are sometimes, you know, like we were.
Tests, they are tests God
Yes.
is giving us. Yeah.
कोई बोल रहा था कि मेरे को लगता है कि अभी तो मैं बहुत सीख लिया है मैंने, right? Something like that happens in our mind, and then भगवान will create a situation. Say अब बता मुझे. They will bring somebody. There was somebody in the family, extended family से कोई मेहमान आ जाएगा, वो आपका चाबी लगाएगा या कोई friend. Something will happen. Your own child or some difficult situation will front of you, and they say, no, I got to learn a lot more right now. You know, when you sit and meditate upon it, you will realize, no, it's not their problem, it's your problem.
Yeah. Then is the time to climb the steps.
Yes. Those are the opportunities.
See,
Yes.
everything that you do is for you. It may not apply to the other person.
It may not. It doesn't actually apply at all.
So like, this is the question I always had, because all these lectures I hear and people are saying this and that. But when I look at myself, I was in the same world that everybody is, and they are looking at everything. And but I know that in previous lives I had done that.
You have done the sadhana, you mean?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this life, there is a trigger point has to come, which will make me start doing that. That was the point. And I'm sure in everybody's life is like that.
Yes,
You may not
yes.
realize that something will trigger you,
Yes.
like your husband told you or somebody told you. So there's an event which causes.
And sometimes those events are extremely painful.
Yeah.
And you know, and those painful is when you say कि you know तब ही हम शरण में जाते हैं जब बोलते सब कुछ करके हार गए हम. Like दुनिया में जितनी भी चीजें सब fail हो गई. Like Draupadi's cry for help. Her 5 husbands who were like the greatest could not help her. Bhishma Pitama did not help her, and then she had to take the help of.
But if your time
आज
has
तो
not
शरण
come,
लेनी
you will
पड़ी
not.
भगवान की.
हाँ, so then हम लोग का भी ये हाल होता है कि we think अरे फलाना हमको help कर देगा, वो कर देगा, सब छोड़ देते हैं. You know?
हाँ,
See,
सब अपने
तब-
लिए है.
तब हमको याद आता है वो
But
कुछ
if
है.
your time doesn't come, then you will not trigger.
Yeah. Correct.
Yes.
So, but if your time has come, then it will trigger by itself. So.
But how do you know time is going to come in this
No,
lifetime or
but no,
not?
you
But
don't
you
know.
know,
You don't
We
know.
are
It will,
preparing for the next life.
But what I've experienced is the minute you have climbed that step, then that test will not come anymore.
उसके बाद yes,
उसके बाद
She's
कुछ
right.
और टेस्ट आएगा.
उसमें हम पास हो गए फिर.
हाँ, उसमें क्लास 6 पास हो गए,
तभी
तो क्लास
7
7
पढ़ना
का
पड़ेगा.
एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा
See,
ना.
because
क्लास
this,
6 का एग्जाम
Yeah,
देना देते
unending
जाओगे.
test, you know.
No, time will come when you graduate. That's when you mukti मिल जाएगी.
Okay.
हाँ,
No,
graduate.
because-
If you're on the path, you will graduate one
And
day.
then you are free. Then you can, go and come for first grader to, or
No, no,
come
but
as a.
I'll tell you very quickly how I got into this. I was not at all in this. Then I used to drive to Irvine, 70 miles, and my car tape recorder broke. And I used to hear Indian music, so I said, what am I going to do? And my wife gave me my son's Walkman. And she said, use this. So I'm using the Walkman, although I know it's illegal driving. And then I'm listening to this Pandit Jasraj tape, Aaj To Anand Hai. And he sings in there, Om Purnamada Purnamudachyate. And I started getting these experience, while I was driving.
Because you must have heard the same shloka before.
I don't know.
In a
but
previous
Yeah,
life.
that's
You
true.
have
That's
seen
the connection,
ancient
yeah.
ones.
experience came now.
Ah.
And then I rewound the tape and I kept getting those. So then I started hearing music all the time in the Walkman. And I used to get so upset if I don't have battery or something, And that one day my battery finished and I didn't need any music. So I could meditate without any effort.
Interesting.
So that initially was the music. And even now, when I go in music mode, then I really forget everything. So everybody has different, unique.
Yeah, you connect to the higher with the music.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people, especially in our
इसीलिए हम लोग
Indian
भजन
music.
गाते हैं.
And Jasraj and Jagjit.
Jasraj is amazing.
And
Jasraj's
Jagjit
voice is
also.
amazing.
Jagjit
Yeah.
was Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, he sang.
Yeah, very beautiful,
Very
soulful,
So
absolutely.
I could feel the thing
Vibrations.
in there. So that's the way. So I'm sure everybody has their own experiences if you go back, how you started. Like how did you come to my place and say, I want to go yoga or whatever,
No, but
Yeah.
I started even before you.
Yeah, you
That
did,
was
but-
because I was looking for
Yeah,
some occupation to do in America. I mean, you can't sit at home doing nothing.
right.
You'll be
You have
so
to, you
bored.
have to go out.
Yeah.
So I was wondering क्या करें. कोई बोल रहा था, start child care.
And then we
start
all
this,
help
start,
each other.
start that, and nothing was, कुछ मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. So then this yoga thing just fell into my lap. In fact, when I did Joe gave me just the correct book.
Yeah, these are things, with your own
know?
sadhana it falls, because
Yeah.
whatever you need for your spiritual sadhana, if you are keen, will fall into your lap.
Right.
That's how I think. When I was coming to San Diego, I was, on one hand, I was excited because it's a beautiful place. Other hand, I was very upset because I was so connected. You going to the Devi group for 20 years, and you are so group is
Yeah.
this thing, and what am I going to do? And my acharya told me. For a moment, I told her that I'll be moving. They were so upset, firstly, everybody, because we were so close together. She said, you know what? It's Bhagwan's Icha, just go. There is a reason why you're going. And whole time I was thinking, how I'm going to have my spiritual food, And here we are, And the Mandukya I always wanted to do. So what I'm saying that if you have that whatever desire, and
Yeah.
if it's a good desire, God does fulfill it. And that's why उन्होंने अपनी जो कहानी बताई थी आत्मा जी ने miracles का, वो भी एक वही था ना कि some people can call it miracle, other person say there was another hand were taking care of him and said he's going to be okay and I'm going to make sure.
Actually, when I got my yoga certification and I was coming home, so I was just thinking, I said, if I was in India, there'd be somebody to welcome me home and all that. You won't believe it, I entered into my bedroom to put the certificate and Bhagwan's picture was over there. I never keep Bhagwan's picture outside. It's always hidden under my clothes somewhere, but never out. And that day, the
You thought
Bhagwan's
you got the
picture was
blessing,
there
yeah.
as if welcoming
Yes,
me,
yes.
home.
Okay.
It was
In
so
your house?
nice, I just can't forget that.
I can understand your feeling, because if you have that kind of reverence and that person's thing is there, then it's a miracle.
Yeah, I felt, that, see, nobody is there to even
Yeah,
this
yeah,
thing.
yeah. It's nice. Okay, so we were at this verse, which what we can do is, this is on